The University of Nigeria Nsukka, in collaboration with OilServe Limited Group of Companies, announces her 6th biennial African Nano Conference and Workshop on application of nanotechnology to energy, environment, agriculture and health. Theme: Nanotechnology, a catalyst for industrial development and national transformation. Scheduled to take place on the 14th to the 19th of July 2025.
Under the chairmanship of Professor Nanyolugo Martin Munsel, Director General and Chief Executive Officer, Raw Materials Research and Development Council, RMRDC, Mr. Kali Suleiman Halilu, Executive Vice Chairman and Chief Executive Officer, National Agency for Science and Engineering Infrastructure, NARCINI. Professor Promise Melbiner, Director General and Chief Executive Officer, National Mathematical Center, Abuja. Professor Martin Thor, North Carolina State University, USA. Engineer Dr. Emeka Ekwuosa, Chairman, OilServe Group of Companies.
Professor Winston Soboyeho, the President, SUNY Polytechnic Institute, New York.
Professor Emmanuel E. Warhar, University of the Western Cape, South Africa.
Professor Justice Ndukaifu,
Vanderbilt University, USA. Professor Solomon Agbo, Germany. Professor Kenneth Ozoimena, Wits University, South Africa. Jonathan Brame, United States Army, London, United Kingdom.
Chief Host, Professor Ogwujio Fati Ujam, Acting Vice Chancellor, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. The opening ceremony is scheduled to take place
on Monday the 14th of July 2025
at Princess Alexandria Auditorium, University of Nigeria, Nsukka by 10 a.m. For inquiries, contact the conference chairperson, Professor Ayu Osuji, on 080343133351 or email rose.osuji@unn.edu.ng. Or the conference convener, Professor F.I. Izima, on 0803623921 or email fabian.izima@unn.edu.ng.
For updates, please visit our website www.nanotechunn.com or our social media handles LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube at Nano Research Group UNN.